Okay guys, kind of following on from last night with Bollinger Bands, etc. And just looking at the chart itself, we can see there's a general direction to the up. Currently at a stretch point here, and this is flaring to the upper side. So therefore, the chances are that's about as high as it's going to get. All right. So if I flip over onto my sheet, what it's telling you is neutral up in the deep section, buy in the double D. So that's kind of your daily 4 and your hourly. So you've got an idea. And it's showing signs that it is buying. Now it's telling me to wait. Why is that? It's because of this. That is a worry, the RSI. Okay. Now if I flick it over into strength, what we'll see is it's pretty darn fair. Okay, cool. All right. So what I need to do now is wait. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait a little bit. Now I'm going to drop it down into sort of 15 minutes so I can see what's going on. We can see that's really stretched. All right. So it's not going to stay there long. 5. What's happening? This is pulling down. So really, I want to be buying it down here somewhere. Okay. Definitely want to be buying it down here somewhere. Now, if that's the case, don't need these indicators no more. Get rid of them. So if that's the case, I want to buy it down there. I'm either breaking the top or I'm waiting for it to come. Okay. So let me do that. Let's just wait a couple of minutes and see what happens. All right. Looks like it's pushing down. So we can do a couple of things. Now what I want to do is also a stage target. I did pause the camera for a couple of minutes there, guys. Just 2 or 3 minutes, just while I was watching what was going on. We can see that is struggling in and around this area. Okay, but it is pushing down. So what we're going to do is we're going to let it push down and then bounce back up again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a set of staged orders down here, just roughly about here, top of this candle. So it's in and around there. And I'm going to do them at £1 a piece. Now this is for Nemo. And what we're going to do is we're going to set it so that it's there. And we're going to stage the positions with different targets. So do one there, just in, and then put another one in. So we're going to buy that. That one we're going to do at 10 pips, just like so. Buy this. Do another one, 15 pips. And what it'll do is it'll pick these up, but it'll cash out on the way up. Put another one in. Do that one at 20 pips, just like so. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then if put a final position in at about 25 pips. Right. So they're in place, but I can also sandwich it across the top if it surges. Now it seems to be pulling down quite aggressively. And let me just check something. Coming down. Just move that up to here. Yeah, it's definitely pulling back on itself. Onto there. So the 50's on this level. So actually in and around that area is probably not a bad area to be. So we'll let it come down and get on with it. Now the idea is it'll come, maybe it's actually there's a good price to be in at, but this moves pretty aggressively. So we'll just leave it and we'll see. Okay kids, I'll let it run out. You've seen the setup. And then what this will do is it'll pick them up and that'll just go bang, 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 bang. And it'll self-manage the trade for me. Don't need to do a great deal. Job's done. Okay guys, that was a combination of ladder trading and getting the trades to self-manage. Now what it did was, it's multiple orders, 2 different positions. When one cashes out, you move the other one up, in other words, stepping up the ladder. You're also repositioning trades as it's cashed out, put a new trade back where it came from, let it come down, spike up, come back down, pick it back up, spike up, come back down, and eventually moving in a singular direction inside a single trading arena based on the volatility that was in front of you. Now that was then worked out via the sheet that you saw earlier. Again, it's not difficult to work that out, but again, it gives you an average of where the price is going and what you're looking to achieve. And then all you do is you rack and stack your orders, let them cash out and move the others into place. A little bit like a relay race. Now, yeah, got no tickets left. That's my entire day today, you know. So just boom, boom, boom all day. This bit here, what you've just seen me do, there was no stress at all. It bounced that position 3 times. Bang, bang, bang. So that gained extra profit, which meant didn't really have to work hard. This isn't difficult, guys, and it's all in the planning, it's all in the thought, and all of this is what I show you in the squad. And many times, as I have done all today, I'll tell you what I'm doing before I'm doing it. Go to market, execute, don't chase the market, I wait for the market, and that's it. So good. What cheap flight still on? What we looking for?
No, it's not us, it's not for us.
Where are we going?
It's not for us.
Who's it for?
Kirsty's going.
Oh no, I've already done it. I've
she's
shown
worried
her.
About that.
I've already shown her.
Is it right?
Yeah, it's a connecting flight. Sorry, our daughter's jet setting off to New York and getting worried about flights, which is a miracle getting the flight coordinator here to sort anything out.
I'm just wondering how long it would take to get from Newcastle to London.
About an hour and a quarter.
It does, you're right, that's exactly what Google said.
Because we've flown it, we've done the same connecting flights.
Oh,
All right, okay. Sorry about that. Domestic is normal. But I like it. Actually, while you're on there, say how much it is for New York. I fancy it myself. Sorry. Right, off we go.
November.
Eh? We going in November?
Oh, they are.
Where are we going?
We're going to Benidorm.
No, we're going to Benidorm this month. Yes, we're going to Benidorm this month. The Scruffy Squad are actually getting together. They're using their profits in sort of one thing and another. And we're going to have a classroom in the sun. How good is that? Now, that's a community you really want to be involved with. Where they like each other that much, they're willing to go on holiday together. Couldn't be more proud of you guys. I really couldn't. And we're going to get Winky in a bikini. Can't wait for that either. Right, so as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, but always do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.